Right, quick setup guide for Zoho One and Zoho projects. Back into your Zoho One admin panel. Applications. Losing my voice. Applications on the side. Add application. Type in projects. If you haven't already installed the basic, click install. If you have, go back to your user home. Click on projects the first time you access it. It will bring up a sample project that you can click in and go and browse around and learn. Nothing to set up, it's already set up for you. There are lots of customization on projects to come, but as far as Zoho One and getting your projects up and running, you don't have to do anything. So it's already set up, it's already taking your company name, probably from the Zoho CRM. And things like that. So really easy, Zoho One, quick setup projects to do. Much more customization to come in future lessons.